Red or black, mom? Press it. Red or black? There you go.
Thank you.
There goes my mom. There she is. Red or black? Good morning. We are in Lost Wages. And guess what? My parents, they hate gambling, right? So we took them to Las Vegas. I'm gonna try to get my mom to gamble. So you ready to go to the casino, Mom? First part of this trip, Red Rock, not the casino. Red Rock Canyon. It's blocked off because there's a major accident. So we're gonna take pictures right here. Okay, get closer. Can't go in there. So we're going to the casino, Mom. Our next stop on this trip is Bellagio. Bellagio Gardens. Are we going to the casino, Dad? Nah. Oh my gosh. Not yet? Still trying to get them to go. We're going to check out the Bellagio Gardens. Okay, it's a chicken. It's a chicken.
Not chicken.
I thought it was a flamingo. So my mom doesn't want to stand under this because look. Wow. She's scared of walking down there. What do you think, Mom? Next on this trip is Pho Kim Long with pork chop. Yeah. Oh my goodness, and look at that. Good luck to you. You can't unsee it. It says horses ho. So we're taking my parents over to Planet Hollywood. That's where they're staying. Oh, Mom, look, the casino. Are you ready? Why not? Oh, man. There it is. Room 1515 on the 15th floor. That's easy for you to remember, right? All right, let's see how the room is. Congratulations.
No casino, okay?
What?
Casino. No
Oh
casino.
man. All right. All the lights. Wow. Let's look at 2 beds, one for you and one for Dad.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look at this room. Wow. Look at the view of the strip and the roof. Wow, pretty nice. Your TV.
Coffee.
Oh, there's no coffee maker. This is a handicapped bathroom for you to roll in the bed. Look at this handicapped bathroom. Look at this. It is. Look at. Wow. How do you like the room?
So far, so good.
So far, so good.
Okay, good.
Okay.
All right. Well, time for the fathers and mothers to take a nap. Look at us. We are going to the cow. Mom's hiding. Look. We are taking them to go eat some ochazuke at the cow. Follow us. Gotta go rub this guy for good luck first.
Go to eat, right?
Yeah, over here.
Not to casino.
Going to casino, right, Mom?
No. Eat.
Oh, are they closed? What? Oh, they close at 7. I failed. They're closed. We're gonna go somewhere else to eat. Mom, since they're closed, can we go to the casino?
Hell no.
Alright, let's go over here and eat. The Market Cafe is good too. It is. Look at that. Prime rib is over there. Ooh, look at that. Good luck to you. I hope you can finish that, Mom. Salmon. Fish and chips. Look at that. So, Mom, how'd you like the food? Still eating. So, can we play some games now?
Again?
Since parents don't want to gamble yet, we're gonna walk down Fremont Street. Follow us. We're gonna go walk over there and then take my parents to the casino. Just left Fremont Street. Did you enjoy yourself, Dad?
Yes.
We had a live stream too. If you didn't see it, just look back a couple weeks, you'll see it. Look where we're going, everybody. We are going to the Sphere. First time here for all of us. My mom's running to the casino. Mom, you're gonna gamble? We're gambling? No gambling, Mom?
No.
Come on. We're in Sam's Town here. We just came to say I love you. We're gonna go get some coffee and go check out the garden area. Mom, you wanna play this here? Because you're really good at cooking. Right here. This one. This is his mom right here. You sure you don't want to play? It's a cooking game. If you haven't seen the outside area of Sam's Town, it's really nice. We're gonna go chill out here. So, what are you doing there, Dad? Are you about to gamble?
Yep, thinking about it.
Yeah, right.
Can't make up my mind yet.
Mom's sitting over there. She's gonna be like, no. All right, here we go. We are gonna go try Aloha Specialties again. Ochazuke with the family. Here we go. They're closed.
It's open.
It's open. Here we go. They're excited. I'm actually excited to take them here. Hey. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We wanted to take you to Las Vegas for you just to try this food. Hey, okay. So my dad is very picky with food. How do you like it, Dad?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good.
good.
Mom, picky mom.
Hungry.
Oh, so that means it's okay. Pistachio, yum from
They have your mango.
Lapperts. I'm okay. I'm good. I'm so full. I can't. That's good. So, Mom, you ready to gamble? Do it for the viewers. Yes? Come on. Yeah. Maybe.
Maybe.
She said maybe. She agreed to do this. We're putting it in. Here we go. Here we go.
No? What are you doing?
Yeah, you said yes, right? Okay, here we go.
Place your bets, please.
We're putting. You put the $100 in there. There's $100. You put it in there.
Can I put it in $1 instead?
Has
Can
to
I
be.
put it $1?
This thing sucks. No, just put it in home.
Yeah.
Hurry, Mom, hurry. Okay.
Alright.
Last number was 2 black. So
number is 2.
$100. Okay. Red or black, Mom? Press it. Red or black? Go. Hurry. Red or black?
You got 18 seconds.
There you go. She did it. She put red. She has red. Here it goes, everybody. My mama pressed $100 on
Place your
red.
bets, please.
Here we go.
5,
Here we go, everybody.
3,
Here it is.
2. You look at it over there.
No more bets. Thank
Here
you.
goes my mom. Here she is. Red or black? Red, 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 red.
Red. Come on, red.
My heart is beating.
$100.
Oh, 0-0. We lost it. It was green.
Is 0-0.
Oh well. Here we are. Parents, us. Want to see the Eiffel Tower?
Yep.
Here we go. Can you turn on the AC up here?
We're working on it.
Up here. I'm gonna watch the Bellagio show right here. Mom's over there. We're gonna go drop off parents now. Did you two have fun in Vegas?
Yeah. But I didn't want to lose $100.
Mom, look, slot machines.